Today I'm going to be working on this Ovation 12 string. The owner says it's playing a little funny. Based on this damage, it appears that this bridge had come off in the past. Probably because all the string tension from 12 strings and it being a top loader. You can see all the waves in the top. There's a lot of distortion. The action seems to be a little bit high to me too. So let's do a real good setup on this guitar and see if we can figure out why it's playing a little funny. Let's measure the action. About 5 and 5. 5/64. It's a little high. Let's see if we can do anything about that. Let's see what kind of relief we got in here. I think there is a truss rod. Yes, there is. Okay. There's not any relief. So that could be an issue. We'll see. Let's measure this nut. It's about 10 thousandths. A little tight on that side too. The nut's a little low.
That's what she said.
Customer just wants to get a setup, wants this playing nice. He said if there's anything I can do about this top, go for it, but I don't think there's anything that can be done here. It looks like somebody tried to do a little repair. Yeah, I think there was definitely a repair done. That's glue dripping out of that top. They added some glue, and out she came. I don't know what happened there. I think he said he dropped it. Didn't look like it. Maybe a long time ago he dropped it and somebody fixed it. It's holding. It's a top loader. I don't think it's lifting. No, they glued it down good. So that's not an issue. The saddle, can it be brought down? Plenty of height to it, but it's this weird, funky Ovation style saddle. Let's see if it's got any adjustment to it. Let's get these strings off of here. There's several players that come to mind when I think of Ovation guitar. Melissa Etheridge, Nancy Wilson of Heart, and Glenn Campbell. Just to mention a few. That's a loose brace. I can feel it. I'm gonna have to let him know about that. See if he wants me to fix that for him so I can string this up. Let's take a look at the saddle. There's a pickup under here. We got some shims. That's good. I mean, that's bad. I mean, that's good. Good right now because that means I can lower this thing. There's 76 thousandths shim. That's a lot. That means that'll take 38 thousandths off this. So it's going to drop a 32nd. It's going to be pretty low. I might want to keep, let's see if I just keep, what did I say it was, 5/64? If I can drop it a 64th, that might do it. So 32nd, there's 40,000. Let's take that out and see how it is with that. Here's that loose brace right there. I'm going to use a little sandpaper stuck to a feeler gauge and clean between the top and the brace. I also have this bent paintbrush that I'm going to go inside and just give it a little dusting, get any dust off of there so the glue will stick. And then add a little bit of glue on a feeler gauge, get it in between the top and the brace. Work that glue between the brace and the top. It's going by feel. Can't see diddly squat, but I'm going to go and take a look right now and see how it looks. You can see it's wet between the brace there. We go inside and clean out any, try to clean it out a little bit. Any mess in there. Now I got a caul attached to the end of this clamp at that angle of that brace. I'm working between this control box, this electronic control box, and that brace. Okay, I'm going to let this dry overnight, and then I can get back to my setup tomorrow. So I took out one of those shims, and it brought the action to a really nice, comfortable height. And I backed off on the truss rod just a little to give it about 5 thousandths relief. 12 strings hard to play.